on the couch over there, I was watching Damon Dominique. He's a huge part of what like inspired me to get back into YouTube, or like whenever I watch his stuff, I always like crave making videos on my own, you know? On one hand, I wish I was as like social and talkative and like entertaining as he was. I don't know, over the years, you know, I've gotten used to who I am and like what I'm like, you know, especially making YouTube videos, and like seeing myself played back on camera. As much as I want like my travel videos to be like very cool and very fun, if they turn out the way that they have been turning out so far, that's what it is, you know? Yeah. Self-acceptance, self-love, baby. Try to, you know, accept yourself for who you are. It's the easiest thing to do. Do you want your phone? Night mode?
Why? Hold on. Let's see what other what people would take. They're literally on. Dude, literally. Hi everyone. Welcome to my message. kind of looked it.
feels safer. So then if somebody runs in,
Yeah.
then they'll stab you first. You know?
Okay.
I think that I want.
I left a message for the housekeeping team. They haven't. Yeah, you guys were young. You guys played hockey together, right? Or he played a lot of hockey.
Dude, this thing is so in the way. It's like we're making a YouTube video and we're doing like a funny McDonald's order or something.
Yeah. Trying what? What do they have?
Yeah, or we're gonna do like the cone thing. Grab it by the top.
Yeah.
Maybe Vancouver? Vancouver's nice.
Yeah.
I feel like Vancouver is like my hair is never crazy there.
Went up downtown. Went up downtown. Went up downtown. I want to save my soul.